Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable dark mode or theme in Windows 10. Microsoft Windows 10 features a dark mode or theme that is hidden by default, and one can enable this using the built-in Settings app. This video tutorial will show you how to turn on the hidden Windows 10 dark theme using the Settings app. Windows 10 comes with many personalization options, and with a minor tweak, you can make it more comfortable for yourself. Microsoft comes with very appealing and decent colors in the apps provided by default in Windows 10 operating system. In the case of native apps like Settings, Microsoft Edge, etc., there is a light gray colored theme in these apps. How to turn on dark theme in Windows 10. To enable or turn on dark theme or mode in Windows 10, right-click on the free space on desktop and select Personalize option. Then, click on Colors in the left sidebar. On the right panel, in the Choose Your Color drop-down menu, you will see three options: Light, Dark, and Custom. Here, select the Dark option. Now, your Windows 10 theme, as well as apps, will have a dark theme. If you choose a custom color option, you can set your default Windows mode and the default apps mode according to your needs. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Gear Up Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.